Hello everyone, myself Sheetal Bukkawar from Saraswati College of Engineering, Kharghar, Navi Mumbai, and I am working as Dean Administration and Student Welfare at Saraswati College of Engineering. You can see this is our college which is situated in a beautiful lap of a nature. It is situated at Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. Talking about the Saraswati College of Engineering, it is a NAC accredited college and our motto is learn, lead, achieve and contribute for the betterment of society. We have several branches like civil engineering, mechanical engineering, automobile engineering, computer engineering, information technology, and we are very proud to announce that from academic year 2021, we are starting with the two new branches, that is computer science and engineering in data science and computer science and engineering in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Our DTE code is EN3154. So today we'll see that what is MHCET exam, what is the paper pattern of MHCET exam, what are the different preparation tips for scoring good marks in MHCET exam. As you all know that MHCET exam is required to take the admission in engineering. So first thing you should ask to yourself is engineering is for me? For that, the answer of this question, if you want, then you should first know that what is actually a engineering means. Engineering or engineers are nothing but the problem solvers. They work on the real-time problems which are faced in our day-to-day life by the society, and they find a solution for it. So to finding the solution for it, they make use of available technology and they serve the society with the solutions. They use the concept of maths, science, and computers to solve this problem. The very first question which is coming right now in the mind of 12th student is how to score in MHCET, because every one of you know that depending on the score of MHCET, you will get the admissions in the reputed or good engineering colleges. So let's see how to score in MHCET exam. Now, the MHCET exam, or to prepare for the MHCET exam, there is one specific mantra. Now, what is the first thing you should concentrate on? That is, you should focus on concepts. See, if your basics or if your fundamental concepts of physics, chemistry, maths is very strong, you can easily score good marks in MHCET exam. So you should always focus on the basics or on the concepts of the subject. Self-assessment. This is very important, students. Self-assessment means what? You should assess yourself that on what topic of which subject you are strong and in which topic you are weak, so that you can more concentrate on the weak topics and you can convert it into your strong topics. For this self-assessment, what you can do? You can solve or you can practice more and more CET exam papers. For this, on our website, on our college website, that is sce.edu.in, you can find the mock CET tests. I want to tell you that these mock CET tests are designed by the professionals who actually conducts the MHCET exam for the Maharashtra state. So you will get an exact idea or a clear idea about the MHCET exam. So you can visit our website and you can appear for this mock CET test. Good health. If your health is good, you can study well, you can score well. But if your health is not good, then there will be some problems you will face while studying the subject. So first of all, you should take care of your health. Stay positive and confident. You should always positive for your goals in your life. If you are positive, if you will decide that yes, I can do it, you can easily score in your MHCET exam. Of course, hard work is also required. You should be confident enough that yes, you can score it. And how this confidence you will get? By solving more and more practice tests or mock CET tests, you will gain a confidence that yes, you can solve all type of questions. Talking about the MHCET exam. What is MHCET exam? So, this is nothing but a Maharashtra Common Entrance Test which is conducted by the government of Maharashtra for the admission in engineering colleges. That colleges may be university managed or unaided institutes. This is the exam which is conducted for taking admission in engineering for Maharashtra state, India. What is the exam pattern of this MHCET test? So there will be two papers, that is paper 1 and paper 2, which will be of a duration 1.5 hours each. Each paper will be of 100 marks. Now out of this, the paper 1 will be based on mathematics. Now that paper will be of 100 marks and will be of a duration of 1.5 hours. Similarly, paper 2 will also be of 1.5 hours and of 100 marks, but now this paper 2 is based on physics and chemistry subject. Take a note that both the papers will be online. That is, you have to give the online MHCET exam. You should know that there is no negative marking for your wrong answers in MHCET exam. This is a very important point. Now for preparation for MHCET, first you should know that what is the exact syllabus for this exam. So students, the total syllabus of MHCET exam is actually made up of 80% of the syllabus of your 12th exam. That is the State Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board. That is based on that syllabus, you will get 80% of questions, and remaining 20% questions will come on the 11th standard syllabus. So 80% will be from 12th syllabus and 20% will be from the 11th syllabus or 11th curriculum. All the questions which come in the MHCET are actually application based. So if your concepts are strong, you can solve many more questions in the exam. You have to answer, as I already told you, you have to answer the questions based on mathematics, physics and chemistry. Some important tips for MHCET preparation is you should prepare your own notes, so that while preparing the notes, you will get clear your concepts and you will revise the things. You should make a proper timetable so that you can give more time on to the topics in which you are feeling that you are a little bit weak, and you can spend less time on the points which you have already done, that is, you are strong at. You should seek a guidance if you are having any difficulty. You should seek a guidance from your subject experts. You should practice more and more mock tests so that you will be confident about your preparation. Time management is very important while preparing and while solving the exam also. Otherwise, if there is no proper time management, you will come to know that you have solved only half of the question paper. So time management is very important. You should practice the previous year's question papers also, so that you will get to know that how exactly the questions come in the MHCET exam. And revision is very important for any type of exam. So this is all about the MHCET exam preparation plan.